Hello, boys and girls. It is still Friday, November 13th, 2020, and we're going to work on our social studies today. We've been learning about American symbols. Today, you're going to do your page on the White House and the Liberty Bell. Hopefully, you went on Epic and listened to a story about some American symbols. It says, this first page says, the White House is where the president works all day long. And down here we have a picture of the White House. It's called the White House because it's a white house. So we're not going to be coloring the White House any color because it stays white. But we are going to color the bushes around the White House green because we think they have nice green bushes at the White House. So you're going to color the bushes in front of the White House green. Okay, and if you would like to add a little color to your American flag on the top, you can maybe just put a little smudge of red up there. All right, the next page says the Liberty Bell has a crack, but it can still ring. This is the Liberty Bell. We're going to color the Liberty Bell yellow, and the piece of wood that holds the Liberty Bell is going to be brown because it's wood that holds the Liberty Bell. So we're going to color this yellow, and the wood that holds the Liberty Bell, we're going to color brown. Now, we've been coloring our stars and stripes the colors of the American flag, which are red, white, and blue. So you can decide how you want to color your stars and stripes that are around. Some of them should be red, some should be left white, and some should be blue. Okay, you're going to color all of them around the pictures. Then when you're finished, you're going to cut on the black line all the way around to get all the white off the edge. Then you're going to cut in between on the black lines, and the Liberty Bell rectangle will get glued down here, and the White House rectangle will get glued up here. Remember, you do not need a lot to glue it on. All right, when you're finished with that, it will get cut out and it will look like these. Your coloring of your stars and stripes might be a little bit different. Now here's an important part. You're going to flip each one of them over and you're going to write your name on the back just as I have. That way, if something were to happen to them when we put our book together and they fall apart, if you bring it back to school, then we will know whose it is if it comes apart. Okay, so after you have your name on the back, then you're going to get into the front of your binder and collect all of your pages that you've done all week. We have them all right here. We're going to be putting them together. The Great Seal page is the back, and hopefully you did not cut on that little thin line. Hopefully you left it all together. That is the back page, and we're going to count backwards to put our book together. So this is the last page, and then you need to find your number 5 page, and it sits right here, number 5. Then you're going to find your number 4 page, and these are the pages that we did today. Number 4. Then again, counting backwards, we're going to find our number 3 page. Here's our bald eagle. Stands for being brave and strong. And then we're going to find our number 2 page, which is the Statue of Liberty, which stands for freedom near and far. We're going to find our page 1, which goes right here, which is the American flag, has 13 stripes and 50 stars. And then we're going to put our cover on. And as you can see, it becomes a nice little neat book. The only thing that we're missing are 2 staples to hold it together. So that's where you find a grown-up to staple 1 and 2. And now you have an American symbols book that you can read and share fun facts about all the American symbols that we have learned about with family at your house. Okay, boys and girls, you did a great job. Thank you. See you later.